Hi, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with a really cool product. This is the NETATMO.com Welcome Indoor Security Camera with Facial Recognition. How about that? Hubba hubba. This thing's pretty smart. It'll recognize faces that come into your home so you know when your kids are home or when someone who isn't supposed to be is in your home. You get intruder home alerts directly to your smartphone, of course. You can know whether your pets are there. You can set this up at a vacation home. You can know when loved ones are there, elderly parents, etc., etc. And you can see that right from your phone. It takes just minutes to set up. It's very effortless and easy. It notifies you when it hears an alarm. So if it hears a smoke alarm, a CO alarm, security alarm, or siren, it will send a notification and record video. It will give your family members off the record to protect their privacy. So unlike Big Brother smart cameras that continuously film everything and everybody, this protects both your home and your privacy of your family. You can disable video recording and notifications for familiar faces for your loved ones, and it can just watch for the bad guys. It'll prevent false alerts caused by pet movements around the house, so it'll watch for your pets, but make sure that you don't get an overbarrage of notifications. It has a local video storage that's included on the micro SD card. You can choose to store the videos automatically on Dropbox Cloud, or you can FTP backup the videos on a server as well. Video storage is free and flexible, very simple and easy to do. It works with Apple Homekit, so that's really important, and it will also work on Facebook Messenger. How about them apples? In testing this out, this thing is a great camera. It's got an extensive 130-degree field of view, and it gets 1080p full HD video. It's great night vision, beautiful anodized aluminum. In fact, it's printing to script where most burglars wouldn't even notice it, and it records just what matters for you. Highly recommend it. Go to NETATMO.com and check out the Welcome Facial Security Camera.
Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way. Got to find out what's in the box.